Alright guys, what we discussed yesterday. So yesterday I told that we was looking for short in this area. So let me show you. Here you can see this is called supply zone. So now you can see I drawn a zone here. This is called supply zone. Why it is called supply zone? So if you now see price drop from this area, again price pull back, and again price drop drastically. So this is the pattern, actual price pattern. So when price are approaching this supply zone, let's see the market behavior. So first here you can see price goes up a little bit, pull back, goes up, pull back, and then goes a little bit, again pull back. So here when price are pulling back, so here I can see lower point, but next time when they are trying to create a new low but fail. So again price not able to create lower point and fail, and today price open a gap up. Okay, so this is the actual market pattern. So later here you can see price drop little bit, goes up little bit, pull back, goes up little bit, pull back, goes up little bit. Now here you can see when price are approaching this supply zone, what type of behavior we have seen. So finally here you can see price drop, goes up, drop, goes up, and now you can see sharp move up. So once they break this V wave, that was our entry point. All right. So why we was not looking for buy? Because price below this supply zone. This is the supply zone. So once price break this level, so we entered here, but finally we booked our profit somewhere here. Okay. When price dropped to this level, we booked our profit. So why we booked? Now you can see this is nearest rejection point. So once price pulling back near this rejection line, so we closed our position. Okay, so that is our entry point. And then let's do some analysis for tomorrow. So where our entry point will be here. Okay, right. Okay, let's see here. Okay, now you can see here price are running like that. This is sideways zone. This is the sideways zone, and price drastically price drop. So means right now you can see. Let me draw the price action. Price goes up, and this is the rejection point. This is the rejection point, and sharp move up. So this area called shocking area. All right. So means still seller are dominating this market. So in that case, we are looking for short for the intraday. Remember, we are talking about the intraday. Okay, so as the intraday trader, so basically I'm looking for short until they break this seller territory. So basically this level call. So here I can see I'm using this future chart around 700, or you can say 750. All right, this is in this future chart. So this is a seller territory. So means till this level we are looking for short. Everything are selling. All right, where we will get the opportunity for the sell side, we are looking for short only. For the buy, we are looking for here in this area. If price if we see some rejection, let's say price goes up to this level, so we have seen this type of rejection, price action method higher high. So in that case, we are looking for buy here. All right, because this is the demand zone. All right, but if you not see this area called seller territory, everything for the sell, everything for the sell. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any queries, just leave a comment. Thanks for giving your valuable time.